Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Volkswagen keys. We'll start by looking at common issues like a dead battery, physical damage to the casing or blade, and problems with the internal transponder chip. Understanding these initial symptoms is key to diagnosing the problem correctly and choosing the right repair method for your specific Volkswagen key. This guide will help you tackle these common key troubles. Replacing your Volkswagen key battery is a common and straightforward fix. First, find the small release button or slot on your key fob and carefully open the casing. You'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver for this. Once open, remove the old battery, noting its orientation, and insert a new CR 2032 or CR 1632 battery with the positive side facing down. Then, simply snap the key fob back together. Physical damage, like a broken key blade or a cracked shell, is another frequent problem. If your key blade is broken, it often requires professional cutting and programming for a new one. For a damaged key shell, you can purchase a replacement and carefully transfer the internal circuit board and transponder chip from your old key into the new casing. Be gentle during this process to avoid damaging the electronics. The transponder chip inside your key is crucial for starting your Volkswagen. If it's faulty, your car won't start. Sometimes, after a battery change or shell replacement, your key fob may need to be reprogrammed or synchronized with your vehicle. While some basic reprogramming steps can be done at home, more complex issues or new key programming often require specialized diagnostic tools and professional assistance from a locksmith or dealership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.